expression, because in an equation an expression plays a very important role. An expression is involving the constant, the variable, and some operations like addition, multiplication, etc. And this is called an algebraic expression. And now in an expression, what did I say? It involves a constant and a variable. What is a constant? A constant is something which has a fixed value, and a variable is an unknown number. It is called a variable because it can vary. It has a different numerical value, and it could be represented by different letters like X, Y, A, E, etc. And in an equation is a condition on the variable. So what is an equation? It's a condition on the variable, and it says that two expressions are equal. So here, as you can see, this is the coefficient, this is the variable, this is the constant, this is two expressions. So in an equation, the LHS is equal to the RHS. Let me just show you how. So this is our LHS, right? And what is this? RHS. So in the equation, the LHS should be equal to RHS. And now you all might be asking me that what is the difference between the expression and the equation? What is the difference between them? You all might be thinking, right? So the difference between the expression and the equation is that the expression might not have an equality sign, but an equation always and must have a equality sign. So an expression may not contain an equality sign, but an equation always has an equality sign. So when two expressions are equal, then only an equation is formed. And in the expressions, either one of the expression must contain a variable. And here are the terms of this equation. You can go through. So now important points related to the equations. As I said before, one of the expression must have a variable, and the LHS of the equation should be equal to the RHS of the equation. And expression does not have an equality sign, but an equation always has an equality sign. And if we interchange the position of the expression from LHS to RHS or vice versa, the equation remains the same. For example, 5x plus 7 is equal to 2. Now, if we write it like 2 is equal to 5x plus 7, then also both the above equations will be the same. They do not change. You can try it out, you can solve this, and then you can check whether it's true or not. You can try it out with different examples if you want. balanced equation, the equation will remain same. Yes. Suppose 12 minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 1. Okay. Now, here what are we doing is, we are substituting 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? 4, right? So, instead of 4, we are doing it like 3 plus 1 plus 3. Anyhow, we have to add 3 on both the sides. So, we take it like 3 plus 1 plus 3. So, 3 plus 1 means 4. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So, 7 is equal to 7. But, you can, you have to follow this method only. There is another method, I'll just tell you, but it would be better if you prefer for this method. So, 12 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to 7, right? So, now 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Both are same only, right? There's no difference. But there it's a little different. So, here, so the final conclusion is that the LHS is equal to the RHS. Now, if we subtract the same number from both the sides, so we can also subtract the same number like from both the sides of the balanced equation, and the equation will remain the same. Let's take an example again, the same previous one, like 12 minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 1. Now here we will subtract 3 from both the sides. So 12 minus 8 minus 3, nothing but 3 plus 1 minus 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1, and hence proof LHS is equal to the RHS. And not only that, we can also multiply the same number to both the sides. Yes, in a balanced equation, we can do that, and the equation will remain the same. Like, same example, 12 minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 1. So 12 minus 8 into 3 is equal to 36 minus 24, which is equal to 12. And 3 plus 1 into 3 is equal to how much? 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. Here we took like 12 into 3, 36, and 8 into 3, 24. So 36 minus 24 is 12, and here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. And here also, if we like 9 plus 3, if we do, we'll get 12. So here also the LHS is equal to the RHS. So I hope you all understood, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, and bye. So hope you really like that video, and one more thing guys, that the part 2 will be uploading. So hope you really like that video, and one more thing guys, that the part 2 will be uploaded soon.